Hi, I'm Rose Holistic Guru. This is actually my second video I'm doing today. My first video was an experiment measuring the energy in stones, and I actually decided to do another recording because I had something kind of interesting happen. Well, I first noticed it last night when when I first got my multimeter and I was trying to figure out how to get it to read anything, figure out which settings and stuff to put it on. I was going through every setting, touching different stuff. And I touched it to my leg and with both wires and got a small reading. So I then told my friend, okay, your turn. And they grabbed the ends of it and got a reading. Well, then I was testing with another rock. This is lapis lazuli. And I covered one side of it with aluminum foil and left the other side bare because I noticed with the rocks that when I did this, I got a better reading. So as I was testing this, because the stone is so small, one of the prongs I touched my finger, and the reading went pretty high. I then actually grabbed the ends on these, and the reading went so high that I had to change my setting to get an accurate reading. Now I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by redoing it on camera. So, let me do this. I have this propped up here. Let me get it where you can see it. Alright. And I have my stone right here. This is just the same stone I was using, the lapis lazuli, with 1/2 covered with aluminum foil. And my settings, well, first you can see which holes I use it in. And I am going to set it, the first setting that I had it on, which was the 200M. I don't know if you can really see that in the camera. Okay. I'm going to set this down. And I have noticed that when I move these just open in the air, I can get a reading out of the air. Of course, I do have a lot of crystals around my home. Yeah. Get this back where we can see it here. Alright. And the first experiment I'm going to do is I'm going to just simply hold each of these prongs. You can see my reading. My reading was higher than my friend's last night. Of course, I do work with a lot of stones and energy healing. So this is interesting. And last night I was actually able to kind of get the number to go higher or lower by doing techniques that are normally used for raising your personal frequency by thinking of things that make you really happy. So basically kind of going to your happy place. But let's put this down. I'm now going to show you kind of what I was doing. I'm going to hold the prong against the grounding stone, and then I'm going to hold this side. And then see, this is where it goes so high that it won't read it. So I'm going to switch the dial that is on from the 200M up to the 2000M. And I'm actually not even sure what the M stands for, as I'm really new at doing this. So, alright, and again, I'm going to hold the grounding side onto this little stone while I hold this side with my other hand. And you can see my reading. So, I don't know exactly what to make of that, because I'm just starting with a lot of this testing with the energy healing, but it makes me pretty excited to see this, or possibly a way of actually reading a person's personal energy field and what your actual energy is, how high your energy is. I'm not sure. There could be other explanations. I'm not sure. Feel free to comment your thoughts on the matter or try this yourself and let me know what your readings were. So everybody stay healthy, have a great day, and experiment, test the world around you, find out what you don't already know. Bye.